So, hi everyone. Helen is here as a guest at Splitcoaststampers today, and I want to share with you it's a fun idea how to make this crate box poinsettia. And actually, I make this using my silhouette cameo. But what if you don't have silhouette cameo? And this is what I made, just inspired by this one. And today I want to show you how to make this simple one. It's not hard. Okay, so what you need is cardstocks that you can, the cardstock you cut at 2¼ inch times 11, this one, and then 3 pieces of the 1 by 4½, and then 1 piece is 1 by 2¼ and you're also going to need paper flowers. I already pre-made them, and you can use any kind of paper flowers. I just die cut them with my poinsettia die. You can also use stamps and sentiments that you want to put on your box. You need tape, double-sided tape, glue, and that's it. Okay, now we're going to score. Sorry about that. We're going to score this for the box. Hope you can see on the camera. Line up the edge at 2 inches, score, and then you see the score line. Line the score line up to 3½ and score, and line this up again at 2 and score, and that's your base. Okay, and we're going to score this at half and another half inch, like that. Okay, same thing with this, half and another half, another half, and this one you are going to score like this, like that. Okay, now for the box, you can leave as is without the crate look like that, and then you can just use pattern paper to make, you know, the wood look on it, or we can make that like this. This is how I do it. Okay, I just put my ruler like here, and see, 1 2 3 4, and there, mark there, and then 1 2 3 4, mark in another there, mark there, and the one in the middle is that, see that 0 in the middle, right there and right there. Let's do it again right here so you can see how I do it. 1 2 3 4, mark, and one more here, and 1 2 3 4, mark here, and another here, and the one more in the middle, like that. Okay, and also on the other side here, same thing. see, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, mark, mark, 1 2 3 4, mark here and mark here, and one in the middle, mark there and mark there. I hope you can see that. And right here, 1 2 3 4, another one here, another one here, 1 2 3 4, mark here and mark here, and one in the middle, one in the middle. And going to draw to connect those dots. We're going to draw the line, but instead of from edge to edge, we're just going to do 1/8 inch from that score line to 1/8 from the other edge. See that? Then we have the space. Try again. This one there, another one, honestly, like that, like that, like that, like that. This one is the same. Do the same thing, 1/8 from the score line to the other side, also 1/8 from the score line, and the same thing at the bottom, 1/8 to the other one. So to cut this, to make look like this, either you can use Kraft knife or you can use paper trimmer. The easy one, because it got the wire over there, you can just line it up with the pencil and then cut it, you know, but you have to be very careful to not pass that line. Okay, so now we are going to make the box. Okay, it's easy. It's just it's a simple basic of making box card. Just fold on the score line. Be very careful. Now, and this one, the 3 pieces, you can just make like the Z. See that? Can you see that? Okay. And then the small one is actually, after you score, we're going to put it right here. Now, you see that sticking up like that? We just need to trim it a little bit. Trim it there. Now, after we trim the side, we're gonna connect this 2 edge like that. You can use glue or you can use double-sided tape. If you have a thin one for the double-sided tape, that would be great. Just do like that. It's on the side, like that. Okay. And side like that. There, like that. And for this, can do like that. One side here. One side here. And you can repeat on all at the same time. Okay, now we're going to line up the top with the top like that, see, and make sure it's straight here like that. See that? See, it's gonna be like this, easy to fold. See? Okay, and then you can repeat the same thing with this one. Okay, so now how it looks like when it's done. Okay, now we're going to put the flowers. You can assemble either way you want. Okay, now this one I like to use the regular glue, you know, just to make sure, you know, like that. Okay, just put the one at the bottom, make sure that glue it nicely there, like that. See, like that. There's one. Okay, there's another one. You can mix and match the color if you want, but I like to make it all red here. That, one more. Just like that. Okay, and for the sentiment, you can pick either way. See, like that. Yeah, one on the top, one at the bottom. Should be more than enough. And here you go, it's done. And thank you for joining me today. And see you next time. Bye bye.